In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking link using Fresha's link builder. Let's get started with this straightforward and intuitive process that will help you streamline online booking for your services seamlessly. First, open your Fresha dashboard. This is your central hub for managing appointments, customer details, and every aspect of your business operations. For our task today, we'll focus on enhancing online bookings, a crucial element in improving customer engagement and ease of access to your services. Next, look over to the left side of your dashboard where you'll find various options. Locate the Online Booking tab, which is represented by an icon that looks like a contact book. Go ahead and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all of your online booking functionalities. It offers an array of settings and tools to customize how clients can book services with you online. Within this section, you will see several options. Among them, find the option labeled Link Builder on the left. The Link Builder is an ingenious tool that allows you to create precise booking links tailored to your specific services, team members, and locations. Click on Link Builder to open it up. Once here, you'll notice an option titled Link to Services, accompanied by a button that reads Create Link. Click on Create Link. This step is where you'll start personalizing your booking link. Customization here not only conveys professionalism, but also ensures that clients have a smooth booking experience that aligns with their expectations. As you create your link, think about the specifics. Tailor the link to include the location where services will be offered, select the available team members, and pick the services you'd like to feature. This personalized approach is beneficial not only for you by organizing your offerings, but also for your clients, as it provides them with a more directed and efficient booking process. Once you've perfected your customizations and you're satisfied with what will be shown to your clients, take a moment to review everything. When you're confident everything is in place, locate the Create Link button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button finalizes your link. And just like that, you've created a customized booking link. This simple but effective tool will help you manage appointments more efficiently, align client expectations, and boost overall booking convenience. Thanks to Fresha's user-friendly dashboard, the process is quick and easy, allowing you to focus on what you do best, providing excellent service to your clients. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate the Fresha Link Builder with confidence. Stay organized and happy booking!